Have you ever wondered why your skin always looks dull and your skin barriers seem damaged every time? So this is how my skin used to look like, and I never thought my skin will ever look like this. As somebody who suffered from hormonal acne, you need to start exfoliating your skin. Exfoliating your skin is going to help you remove dead skin. This Paulas Choice 6% Mandelic acid and 2% lactic acid liquid exfoliant, this one, you need to put this product in your skincare routine.
I went ahead and checked if the ingredients in this product are fungal acne safe. So we're going to discuss the ingredients in this video also. So you want to watch till the end to find out if the ingredients in this product are fungal acne safe.
This is how to use this product, and if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, share and comment, and leave me a comment on the comment section below. Paulas Choice claim that this product will reduce visibility of fine lines, reverse compromised skin barrier, it will renew and resurface the skin underneath, or healthier cell turnover. So after I started using this product, I've seen a lot of improvement in my skin, and I like the fact that it is a chemical exfoliant. It's very gentle to the skin. So this is how to use this product. I'm going to build a very simple skincare routine with this product, and let me know if you've tried this. I know if the older one was not actually working for you, this has some amazing ingredients in it, which we are going to talk about. So the first thing you want to do before exfoliating your skin, you want to start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. So let's start by doing that. So I've just washed my hands. You want to always make sure that you wash your hands before you start your skincare routine, to avoid transfer of bacteria from your hands to your face. Then I'm going to use this. Today we're going to use this The Ordinary Glyco. We're going to use this The Ordinary Glyco Lipid Cream Cleanser. I find this cleanser really working well if you have dry skin. So I'm just going to wet my skin. Then I'm going to use this cleanser. So this is how this cleanser looks like. I like the fact that it's really creamy. It's really creamy, and it does cleanse my skin without destroying my skin barrier, and it leaves my skin very, very, very hydrated. Sometimes my skin feels very, very dry. Because you're using an exfoliant today, you want to make sure that you don't use products with actives in them. You don't want to use another cleanser with AHA, BHA, because you're going to be over exfoliating your skin. So you want to just use a gentle cleanser. My skin is clean and it has not been stripped out of its natural oil. So I'm going to use this. After cleansing my face, then I'm going to start using. There are two ways you can use this Paulas Choice. You can use this exfoliant. You can actually put it on cotton pad, then you pat it on your skin, or you can just use your hands. You can use your hands and just apply it on your skin. Today I'm going to use a cotton pad, so that I'm going to apply it with the cotton pad.
One toy, Mama.
One thing about exfoliant, AHA exfoliants, you want to avoid the sensitive places in your face, like the eye area. So this is how my skin looks like. This is how my skin looks like before you're applying anything next. Before you're applying anything next with this product, you want to let it sit on your skin for at least 30 minutes so that this product can sink on your skin before you apply any other product. The other thing I find with this product, after applying this product, you want to follow it with a hydrating toner. If you're somebody who likes using toners, because sometimes this product will leave your skin, sometimes this product might leave your skin dry. You want to follow it with hydrating toner, then hydrating moisturizer or your normal moisturizer. Then during the day, you want to make sure that you use, I always use it at night, but during the day you want to make sure that you use a sunscreen even if you're using it at night. Then if you're a beginner to an exfoliant or a chemical exfoliant, you want to make sure that you start using an exfoliant gently. Like you don't want to apply this product every day. You want to try it on your skin. Like you can use it 3 times a week, then after your skin get used to it, then you can start using it like each and every other day. So this is how my skin looks like after 30 minutes. The thing with chemical exfoliant is that the day that I'm using them, I want to start with hydrating cleanser or something that is not going to strip out my skin out of its natural oil. So then I apply this one, then I leave it in for 30 minutes, or you can leave it for some few minutes, then you apply the next product. So the next product I'm going is this Mixun bean cream. I love this product. If you have a dry skin, you go look out for this product. It's really good. It's really moisturizing. It will leave your skin very moisturized, and you actually don't need a lot of it. This is a Korean skincare. This is from a Korean skincare brand called Mixun. I love this product so much. I love this cream very much. Look at how it leaves the skin. It leaves the skin very hydrated. You don't need a lot of it. And so far this is how my skin looks like. So let's look at the ingredients. There are some ingredients that you're not supposed to mix with this product. There's some ingredients, or there are some products that you're not supposed to mix with this product. So like the day you're using this product, you want to avoid products like glycolic acid. You want to avoid using vitamin C. You want to also avoid using products which have actives in them. The reason being, if you mix these active ingredients together, they can react to the skin and destroy your skin barrier, which you actually don't want. So this product has 6% mandelic acid and 2% lactic acid. So it's for all skin types, especially if you have clogged pores. This product, if you have clogged pores, if you have acne, this product is going to do wonders. I'm talking from somebody who has hormonal acne. You can see there, right there. The 6% mandelic acid and 2% lactic acid in this product are a complex of a gentle alpha hydroxy acid that resurfaces and shed buildups in the skin, build-up and dead skin on the skin. So this is a very good product. I love the mandelic acid in it. It's very good ingredient. Then there is a lactic acid, 2% lactic acid. Lactic acid can be derived from milk, or it can be actually made in the lab. It helps us to shade dead skin, and it also helps with discoloration, and it also helps with wrinkles and fine lines. So it has a calming and a cooling effect. I really love the way this product is in my skin. It's very thin and it doesn't sting the eye, and I am actually liking this more than the older ones because I feel like this one is more cool, or how can I explain the feeling? It has the calming sensation and it's not harsh to the skin. But I love chemical exfoliant. They are very gentle to the skin. Dermatologists actually at the moment recommend that people use chemical exfoliants. People use chemical exfoliant because apparently the normal scrub that we used to use in the skin are very abrasive to the skin, or can destroy your skin barrier.
These are the full ingredients in this product, and these are the 2 ingredients in this product that can be problematic if you have fungal acne or if you have dermatitis. So that the first ingredients, I want you to forgive me, I'm not going to pronounce this product properly. I'm not going to pronounce these ingredients properly. So the first one is lactobacillus ferment lysate, and the second one is Saccharomyces lysis. I want you to know that these ingredients are going to react on your skin depending on the skin. Their reactivity depends on the skin tolerance. So what Lactobacillus is a probiotic ingredient of lactic acid, which can be really good in improving health and appearance of the skin, as well as increasing the generativity capacity. So it has a double calming and anti-inflammatory action. But this is the catch: if you are somebody who is allergic to fermented product, this product is not going to work for you. It's actually going to cause a breakout or make your fungal acne worse. The second ingredient, that is a Saccharomyces lysate. Please forgive me, I can't pronounce them well. It's a probiotic yeast obtained by fermentation. I totally understand why Paulas chose these two ingredients, because this is an AHA, so they wanted is a product that can easily penetrate to the skin. So when ingredients are fermented, they penetrate to the skin more easily and increase their moisturizing property, which making them safe for acne prone skin. But if you are somebody who is allergic or to fermentation product, you want to stay away from this product, or you want to do a patch test and see how this product is going to work on your skin before you start using it on the skin regularly. Our skins react with the product differently. What might work for you might not work for me. I want you to, when you get reactions from this product, I want you to go ahead and consult your dermatologist, just to make sure that you're not reacting from ingredients from this product, or it's not making your fungal acne worse. And also, there is no need for you to spend a lot of money if you know you are allergic to fermentation or products with fermentation on buying this product, as it has two ingredients that are fermented. So I hope this helps you.
So the key things that we've learned today is this product is a chemical exfoliant. So you leave it on the skin, you don't rinse it off. After applying this product, let it sit in the skin for 30 minutes for it to absorb in the skin correctly. Then you can apply hydrating toner, or you can apply a cream after. I always make sure that on the days that I'm exfoliating my skin, I keep the skincare very simple as possible. So I just cleanse my skin, apply this exfoliant. After applying the exfoliant, I go just direct with the hydrating moisturizer. Then the other thing we also learned, the other thing with this product, it's for all skin types. If you're going to try this product, you want to start gently, like you want to try it on your skin until it get used to your skin. So you want to try maybe each and every other day, or maybe three times a week. Then you can introduce it to your skin slowly, like each and every other day. So it does improve skin dullness, fine lines, and it reverses damaged skin barrier, and it is gentle effective. It is very gentle and it is very effective. And it's for all skin barriers. So that is how to use this Paulas Choice 6% Mandelic acid and 2% lactic acid. Please let me know in the comment section below if you've tried this product, if you've tried this this exfoliant from Paulas Choice. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you and bye bye.